Hello and welcome to today's tutorial. In this session, we'll learn how to reverse the order of bits in an integer using JavaScript. Let's dive in. The goal is to reverse the binary representation of a number and convert it back to a decimal. For instance, reversing 0000111 gives us 01110000, which is 112 in decimal. This program converts the number to binary, ensures the binary string has 8 bits using 0 padding, reverses the string, and then converts it back to a decimal. Here's how it works. The process involves converting the number to binary, ensuring it has 8 bits, reversing the string, and converting it back to a decimal. These examples illustrate how the program processes the input number step by step, converting it to binary, reversing it, and converting it back to a decimal. The ES6 version simplifies the implementation using modern JavaScript features like pad start for zero padding and chaining methods for concise logic. Edge cases include inputs of 0, single-bit inputs, and a maximum 8-bit number. The program handles these scenarios correctly. In summary, this program efficiently reverses the binary representation of a number, handles edge cases, and provides accurate results for valid inputs. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I will see you in the next one.